So hello and welcome to yet another video from sickmaths.co.uk where you can find lots of free maths videos. So this one's about algebraic division, or maybe more precisely long division with algebra. So let's review what long division is with normal numbers, because it is very similar with algebra. What you do is you say how many 3's going to 522. You do 3's into 5 goes once. Okay, with 2 left over because 3 was the number that went into 5. So you got 2 left over, and then you drop the next number down. So you say 3's into 22, goes 7 times, and 7 times 3 is 21, so you've got 1 left over. And then you say drop the 2 down, this 2, so you're always dropping the next number in the next column. So 3's into 12 goes 4 times exactly, because 3 times 4 is 12. 12 take away 12 is nothing, no numbers left over, and that's a bit of long division. Of course you can have remainders, but we didn't bother with that. So let's go to the algebraic version. A little bit more complicated than that, because this one's just got 3 and this has got x plus 3. It's like more complex thing you're dividing by, but it's not all that different. I'll begin with how many x is going to 2x cubed. Well, 2x cubed divided by x is 2x squared. So I do 2x squared times x plus 3, which is 2x cubed plus 6x squared. Just like I did how many 3's going to 5 goes once, and I did 1 times 3 is 3. So I times that number by that, just to see what the difference is between well, how much of it actually went into the original thing. This is the original number we're trying to get into. So 2x squared times x plus 3, as I said, was 2x cubed plus 6x squared, and I take them away. 2x cubed take away 2x cubed is nothing. 7x squared take away 6x squared is x squared. And drop the next number from the next column, like I always do over here and there, down there. So you got now that take away that was that. Drop the next one, it gives you 2x there. X is into x squared goes, well, x squared divided by x is just x. So I do x times x plus 3. What do I get? I get x squared plus 3x. Do my taking away. That goes 2x take away 3x is minus x. Drop the next number. X is into minus x goes minus 1 time. So minus 1 times x plus 3 is minus x minus 3. Take away the difference, which is no difference. There's no remainder. This divides into this perfectly, and the answer is 2x squared plus x minus 1 instead of 174, which was the answer to 521. So 522 divided by 3. So in other words, x plus 3 times all of this equals x plus 3 times 2x squared plus x minus 1 equals 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x minus 3. My voice is going, almost gone. Let's do number 2 before it goes completely. The only difference between this and this, right, is that I've got no x squareds. In my original thing. So what I purposely do is leave a little gap where it says 0x squared. It makes the working out a lot easier, because at this stage we're going to do something, take away x squared over here, and I've got no x squares. So I could just leave it blank and say no x squared take away x squared equals plus x squared. Did I say that? No x squared take away minus x squared is x squared. It depends what you find useful, but I think generally it makes things a little bit easier. You know, this is the x cubed column, this is the x squared column, x's column, and a numbers column. It makes things really clear. So x is into x cubed goes x squared times, so x squared times x minus 1 is x cubed minus x squared. Take them away, x cubed take away x cubed, nothing. 0x squared take away minus x squared is x squared. You know, minus minus makes a plus. Drop the 7x. Do x is into x squared goes x times, so x times x minus 1 is x squared minus x. Take them away again, that gives nothing. 7x minus minus x is 8x. Drop the 6, sorry, yep, drop the 6. X is into 8x goes 8 times. So yeah, it goes 8 times, so you do 8 times x minus 1, which is 8x minus 8. Take away the difference again, you got 14. Okay, now you can't do x's into 14. 14 divided by x doesn't work, so that's just your remainder as I've written here. Our remainder is 14. And that's it.